Yeah, wenganzokithi sanibonani sondelani-ke. This is our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, your YouTube channel, everybody's YouTube channel. So today we are speaking about Babes Wodumo. As ihlelo lakhe lishaya ibuya, but the difference is the reality show now is going to be shown on Moja Love, not on Showmax anymore, where we remember what the show what has been on Showmax all along. So it means it's so we know very obviously ukuthi Babes had issues with the family before Mampintsha died. Maga Mampintsha, they were upside and down, you know, when even Mampintsha saphila. So now sisika Mampintsha uthi udadewabo kaMampintsha kusephumela obala, wathi igama lakhe ke udadewabo kaMampintsha uPinky Gomede, wathi no etshela ke iSunday World ngeviki leli la Sunday siphuma kulona, watshela uSunday World wathi uMampintsha died as a single man. Mampintsha died not married. Mampintsha died, he never even paid a cent kubo ka Babes. So uPinky claims that everything that was done by uMampintsha kulo mshado esawubona, it was organized by uShowmax. Pinky Showmax paid for everything from the lobola negotiations to the clothes. They paid for everything, including food, catering, even to go buy the clothes that Babes was wearing. They went somewhere in town and then they bought everything, and then Showmax paid for all those things because why? They wanted content. And then Babes no Mampintsha bese bezophelelwa content, and then the producers were like, okay, cool, it's fine. What we're gonna do is decide to go to get this, and then don't stress, we're gonna buy anything and everything, and on top of that we're going to pay them for getting married. And then Pinky, his brother had nothing, you know, and his brother had nothing when Bembo's uzomshada nini, wathi yena cha akanayo lentuzana, akanayo imali yokuthi ashade uBabes, uthi they were both broke. And also bona they were very against the fact ukuthi uMampintsha akhokhelwe uShowmax because bangamazulu, right? And then a Zulu man was supposed to know where they come from, and he's supposed to pay the lobola himself, not ukuthi ikhokhelwe omunye umuntu. And that wedding was not even Mampintsha's idea. The wedding was producer's idea. That one ababefuna ukuthi kushade. Pinky continues to say his brother, even on the day of the wedding, he doesn't even remember ukuthi kwenzakalani. He just agreed, and then he was like, okay, if you want me to get married, just buy everything and bring everything because babefuna imali. Uyasho ukuthi obviously babenengcindezi from uShowmax, uthi kwa Babes nalowo wayedakelwe. And then Pinky says he recalls the fact ukuthi even the rings that was given uMampintsha by inkampani esebenza no Showmax eyenza ishow yayingalintuzile, yayingamlingani uMampintsha lo ring kwa Babes, kwa ring ya Babes yayingamlingani, uthi everything yayibaxeka. Uthi then they ran to go ask for Bishop Vusdube to obviously to you know abashadis. And ke uthi a company le kuthiwa i-parental advisory le ona ilabo Thomas Gomede. So yeah, that's what Ugeri just said, you know what, Babes said the show Babes yabuya kodwa sibuya ku Moja Live, and then the fact ukuthi nje they've been quiet and keep on saying Mrs. Mampintsha and everything Mrs. wakhona wa Gomede, cha everything was done because of the show. Personally Mampintsha and himself and the family, they have never and decided ukuthi uBabes Wodumo uyashada. They were not part of that, but it was part of the content and it was part of the Showmax, and that's it. Yo, hi son. Abantu basemzini. Where was the need of Pinky saying this? Mampintsha died a long time ago. Why is Pinky saying this? Because of the show, of the new show. Why is jail? Because thina phela sabona kushada. Kodwa uPinky uqinisile exaka leya ngoba lo mshado lo wayana noma ngicanga music video. Hey, it wasn't make sure.